We would like to simplify this expression A union B union C intersection A intersection B complement intersection C complement and the complement of this whole set intersection C complement. So the first thing we can do is we can apply De Morgan's laws to push this complement inside. So let's keep the first term as it is, A union B union C, and intersect it with, if we push the complement inside, this A will become A complement, this B complement will get double complemented and it will become B, this C complement will become double complemented as well and it will become C, and these two intersection signs will change to unions. So we're just applying De Morgan's laws here, and the third term remains as it is. Now if you look at the first two terms, we see that B union C is something that's common. So let's try representing B union C by the set D, just so that the expression looks simpler and hopefully give us a hint about what the next step should be. So this would become A union D intersection A complement union D intersection C complement. Now we can rewrite this as D union A, applying the commutative law, and likewise here we can rewrite this as D union A complement intersection C complement. So I'm just swapping the two operands here, applying the commutative law. Now when you have D union a set intersected with D union another set, it's a hint that we could use the distributive law over here. So let's try that. We can pull D union outside, and what will remain inside is A intersection A complement. Right? D union A intersection A complement is D union A intersection D union A complement. So we are just going in the reverse direction by applying the distributive law in the reverse direction, and this would be intersection C complement. Now D union A intersection A complement is just D union the empty set, because A intersection A complement is the empty set, and D union the empty set would just be D. So this can be written as D intersection C complement, and because D was B union C, we can rewrite this as B union C intersection C complement. Applying the commutative law again, you can rewrite this as C complement intersection B union C. And now we apply the distributive law again. This will be C complement intersection B union C complement intersection C. This set is again the empty set, and the empty set when unioned with any other set will just be that set. So this is the simplified form of the given expression.